This is Dawn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and tonight I'm going to be making honey mustard pretzel coated chicken. I'm going to need 1.5 pounds of chicken, some pretzels, mustard mayonnaise, honey, and red peppers for the honey mustard, 2 eggs, salt and pepper, and some oil for frying. So let's get started. We're going to start by salt and peppering our chicken fillets. We're going to set our chicken aside while we get our coating ready. For our topping, we're going to put 1/3 of a bag of pretzels into our food processor. They can be any kind of pretzels, doesn't have to be sticks. We're going to pulse our pretzels until they're the consistency of coarse crumbs. We want it to look like that. And pour this into a bowl. Now for our egg mixture, we're going to take 2 eggs, add a tablespoon of honey, and a tablespoon of mustard. And we're going to mix that all together until they're completely combined. Now we're going to coat our chicken. We're going to dip our chicken in our egg mix. I'm actually just going to use my fingers, it's easier. And then into our pretzel topping. This is how we want our chicken to look. We're going to fill our pan to 1/4 inch of oil. We're going to heat our oil over medium heat. Now we're going to put our chicken in the pan. We're going to fry our chicken on this side for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, we're going to turn our chicken over and fry it on the other side for 4 minutes. These are looking fantastic. It's time to remove our chicken strips from the oil. These look delicious. Now for the mustard sauce. Now it's time to make our honey mustard. We're going to take a tablespoon of mayonnaise, tablespoon of honey, tablespoon of mustard, and a package of hot peppers. Gonna mix that together. I'm not gonna pour it over my chicken strips. I'm gonna serve it on the side because I have family members that don't like mustard. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with me.